Hello guys, this is the quick demo of the food order application that I have created using AWS backend. So here we are making use of message queue system as well as serverless architecture as our backend. So to start off, we have created a API by using APIGateway, and when an order is placed by using that API, the request comes to the SQS as queue message, and each message is being configured with the Lambda trigger, and it triggers a Lambda. So once it triggers a Lambda, the Lambda goes and starts a state machine. So state machine is a part of the step function, and we can configure various tasks in the step function, and we can mention what different path the step function has to take when it goes through each and every task. Now in our case, our state machine has multiple tasks. One is to approve the order that we have received, another next one is to process the payment, and then to ship the package, and finally send the SNS notification to the user. In the postman, we have created an API called as test place order. So I am placing this order called as dosa 1 and puri 2. I'm clicking on send. So yeah, we have got the response. Now let's go and see the food order queue has a Lambda trigger configure, and we have configured the start step function Lambda as a trigger here. And once the message comes to this queue, the start step function Lambda is triggered, and in the start step function Lambda, we have given the state machine ERN of the step function to trigger the state machine. So the state machine, yeah, there is a new state machine that is being started here. So here we can see there are multiple tasks. One is to place the order, approve the order, and then process the payment, and then ship the order, and finally send the notification to SNS. So each having their own Lambda functions. You can see in the step-by-step guide in the next video, but yeah. And once each Lambda has a backend in the DynamoDB. So if we see in the DynamoDB, we have got an entry. Yeah, the entry says that we have generated an order ID, the creation time, and the order. Let's see what is the order. Yes, it is dosa 1 and puri 2, and then the payment status is done, and the shipment status is shipped. And then we have a topic ERN for the food order, and we have subscribed. We have got the ordered status here, the new one. This we have got it 1 minute ago, which is this is the order ID, and the shipment status is true, which is the shipment is done. And for all the coding, and as well as for the step-by-step guide, you can make use of these GitHub page. I have shared the link also to configure or build this application.